Tired of property management chaos? Today, we're diving deep into Innago vs Rentredi to see which can finally bring order to your landlord life. First up, property management features. Both platforms offer essential tools like tenant screening, rent collection, and maintenance request tracking, but Innago edges ahead with its built-in accounting features that are more robust than Rentredi's. See how Innago allows for detailed financial reporting, automatically categorizing income and expenses. Rentredi relies more on integrations with third-party accounting software like QuickBooks. On the other hand, Rentredi shines when it comes to tenant communication. Their messaging system is intuitive and keeps all conversations organized in one place. Now, let's talk pricing. Innago boasts a completely free platform, no monthly fees, no hidden costs. Rentredi offers tiered pricing plans, so while you might get more features with their paid options, it does come at a cost. User interface matters too. Innago has a cleaner, more modern look, making it incredibly easy to navigate, even for tech novices. Rentredi's interface is a bit more cluttered, but some users appreciate the density of information available on each screen. It really comes down to personal preference. So, which one wins? If you're budget conscious and need basic but solid property management tools with built-in accounting, Innago is the clear frontrunner. But if you need more advanced tenant communication tools and are willing to pay a monthly fee, Rentredi might be a better fit. Do your homework and choose wisely. Good luck.